What's up guys, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a really quick OBS tutorial video for you on how to enable hotkeys inside of OBS Studio so you can start and stop recording inside of any game as long as you have OBS Studio open with the correct sources on your screen, say display capture or game capture. If we go ahead and hit the settings button, head across to hotkeys, we'll find this over here. Now, I'd highly recommend not setting a start streaming and stop streaming hotkey, because if you hit these at any time randomly, you'll instantly go live and anything you're saying or doing will be streamed to the internet. So I would highly recommend leaving these blank. Even if you are a full-time streamer, you can go ahead and use these manual buttons, which you won't be hitting by accident. Down here, we have the start recording and stop recording hotkey. Now, for me at least, I like to set start recording to Control O. It's nice and easy for me to hit in games, and it doesn't take too much effort to hit. I don't like setting a stop recording button. However, if you do use this, you can go ahead and set it to the same as the previous one to have it toggle on and toggle off, or you could have an entirely different key. To get rid of a key combination that's there, simply hit the bin icon on the right-hand side of the setting you're currently changing. This is usually where I leave it. However, you can do some more interesting things like switching scenes down here, and depending on how many scenes you have, you can switch them all over here, show, hide, switch to, etc. And you can go ahead and even control individual sources like game capture. You can force it to capture a specific window on a hotkey. We can set a hotkey that'll immediately start capturing any window that we're currently clicked on. However, these ones are a lot more involved, and if you're going to use anything down here, it'll probably be your microphone or desktop audio, where you can set a mute and unmute hotkey. You can of course also set a push to mute, which will mute your sound for this device while you're holding it, and push to talk, which does the exact opposite, where it's dead silent the entire time until you're holding down this key. Either way, that's the super basic hotkey crash course, and this is a great place to do it. Of course, if you want to search for something, you can use the filter search at the very top and type in a keyword such as rec for recording, and you'll find pause recording, unpause, stop, start, etc, etc. But anyways, that's about it. Those are all the hotkeys that I really use inside of OBS Studio, and you'll probably find them very useful as well. Thank you all for watching. My name has been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.